Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Genie Guide. In today's guide video, I'm about to show you how you can actually set up your Chromecast to your TV and start actually using it from your smartphone. So without further ado, let's get started. So currently you can see that I do have my Google Chromecast right over here. You can see this is something that we've actually been given when we actually purchased the product. You actually have this little round magnetic type of device, and then you have this cable to actually connect to it. So we're going to learn how we can actually connect it to our TV first of all, and after that I will show you how we can actually connect it through our smartphone. So let me just turn over my TV first of all. So as you can see, we actually have the HDMI port on the back of our TV. So what we have to do is, from our devices, this HDMI cable, all you have to do is first of all connect this device to this HDMI port. Now you want to be careful on which one you're actually doing it. We have HDMI 1 and HDMI 2. Later we have to actually also set it up in the TV settings, so you have to be careful on that. The other thing you can do is you actually have this USB connected port. Now if you don't have a USB port onto your TV, which I actually recommend that if you do have on your TV, then that's very convenient. Or else what you could also do is actually simply connect it to a power adapter and then connect it to your multi-plug. So in my case, I already have the USB port. I will simply connect to it. Now this is all we have to do in case of the connecting part. You can see this USB port. All I'm going to do is connect to it, and now we're actually ready. And now we will go to our TV and turn on the TV, and I will also show you which app you actually need to download. Now after you actually turn on your TV, the other thing we have to do is we have to actually simply select the HDMI display, which we actually input the cable to earlier. So you can go ahead and actually simply HDMI 1 or HDMI 2 on which you actually connected your Google Chromecast to. We have to actually download this app which says Google Home. So go to your app store. It is available on both Android and iOS. And I'm going to actually open it while the Chromecast is actually going to set up in the background. As you open it, you'll be given something like this. You have to tap on get started, and let's choose a Google account and then tap on OK again. We have to allow all of the permissions such as location, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and so on. So I'm going to tap on next, and similarly allow all of the permission whichever the app actually requires. So we have to also actually turn it on from our settings as well. I'm going to basically come back, and we're going to come back to Google Home. You can see location services is also enabled. Now I'm going to turn on my Bluetooth as well. You have to actually set it up accordingly. Now it says us looking for devices, so make sure that your Chromecast is also turned on in the background. You can see it says get the app. Now while we're on that, it will show us Chromecast actually found. So you can see this notification pop up. All we're going to do is actually simply check the name first of all, Chromecast this one. All you have to do is right over here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see your Chromecast device's name. So you have to make sure that the name is also matching in case you don't want to connect it to some or others or your neighbor's device. So we're going to tap on yes, and it may take some time to actually connect to the Chromecast. You can see it says all of this, so we're going to simply wait. Now you can see that our Chromecast is actually connected. Now you can see it says this very code, and on our TV as well. We do have the typically similar code. You have to make sure that this same code is actually similar and visible on both of your devices. Once you've actually made sure of that, you have to tap on yes. Now you could go ahead and follow all of the instructions accordingly. Now all you have to do is actually follow the steps such as setting up where all of your Chromecast devices, and you might also actually want to connect to your Wi-Fi. In my case, I'm already connected, so you could go ahead and connect to your Wi-Fi and then tap on the next button, enter your Wi-Fi password as well. In the background, you might also actually want to connect your Chromecast device, and now you can see all we have to do is simply link our Chromecast. So we're going to tap on next and follow the instructions accordingly. It is as simple as that. So this was the way on how you could actually very easily set up your Chromecast. We learned from connecting the cables as to downloading the app, as well as how we can connect our Google Home app to our Chromecast device. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.